Naalala niyo ba yung issue na nawala daw yung spark ni Bianca sa PBB? Ako kasi habang nanonood ng PBB, hindi ko naman yun nakita. At dun sa kanyang nylon interview, she explained it so well. Parang confirmation lang nung naisip ko noon. Hi guys, it's Anna Rina TV. I'll quote Bianca. She said, "A lot of people in PBB said at one point, I lost my shine and my light kind of got dimmed. But I don't think that's true. I was just healing inside the house. And being bubbly and being happy all the time is part of me, but also being vulnerable was another side of me that everybody got to see." So Bianca is Bianca. Ang ganda, 'di ba? And Bianca is really eloquent. She really can express herself well. At yun na nga, ang linaw ng pagkakasabi niya. Hindi niya iniwasan yung puna. Inexplain niya yung journey niya, yung pinagdadaanan niya, which is healing. Wala naman kasi silang maraming gagawin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, 'di ba? Kasi syempre limited yung entertainment. Mas marami talaga silang magiging time na magmuni-muni, and I think yun yung ginawa niya sa bahay ni Kuya. And I love how she explained na ang pagiging masayahin is part of her. Pero hindi lang yon. May side din siyang tahimik, confused, umiiyak. Yun yung vulnerable side niya. At para sa akin, hindi yan pagkawala ng spark. Yun ay pagiging totoo sa sarili. Kasi kung iisipin natin, ang pagiging vulnerable ay hindi kahinaan. Malaking tapang ang kailangan doon. Kaya I don't believe na she lost her spark. She just showed us another kind of light, another side of Bianca. Kasi sa totoong buhay, hindi naman tayo laging masaya. Sabi nga, there is time for everything. Time to be happy, time to cry, time to heal. You know what I mean? So Bianca is Bianca. Hindi siya nagpe-pretend to be happy all the time just to please us. And that's honesty. At para sa akin, yun yung tunay na shine. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo dito?